Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this radio controlled boat. Seems pretty sweet here. Goes up to 30 kilometers an hour. Comes in a few different colors, blue, green, and red. 30 kilometers an hour, roughly 18 miles an hour, I think. Has LED lights, ready to run, and a 2.4 gigahertz. All right, on top we have the instructions. This thing looks pretty sick. There's this little beam here holding that in there. Take that tape off, and nice packaging here. Holding the boat in. Oh, that was loud. All right, so there's that. Looks pretty cool. This is got some propeller protection there. A little tiny propeller. That's pretty sweet. Look at that little guy. That's pretty neat there. Okay. What else we got here? Here we have the control for this. It's got little adjusters there, trim, things like that. Just like your regular RC paddle though. Backwards, forwards, right, left. Pretty cool. Okay, in the bottom here we have for our batteries. It takes 4, looks like AA batteries, which they have provided for us right here. ABG, super heavy duty batteries. And then right here, we have our little charger here. Looks like we have a little wrench too with an extra propeller. That's cool. 2 little batteries so we can quick change in and out. And of course we have our USB charger here. I believe this top part just comes off if we just rotate that. Let's see here. Don't want to break it, of course. And I thought that just pops out, this top part, so you can put a battery in there. It's probably... Let's see if that pushes it down or not. I'm about to figure out how to get this off, but I don't want to force it, obviously, so I don't want to break it. So I'll figure out how to get this off there and show you guys that. Okay, so this was just turn that clockwise, counterclockwise, which would be that way, counterclockwise, and then it just lifts up for the back part this way like that. And we have like the inside, our connector for our battery. I believe our battery will just sit down right here on the side. It actually has like a little water cooling thing. It takes in the water and expels it there, so it runs it through the engine. That's pretty advanced for this little thing. I'm pretty excited to check this out. We got a little servo there to run the rudder. I'm going to charge up these batteries and throw this in a pond or something. We can find some water and check it out. Okay, put the battery in here, turn this that way, and lift up. The battery's all charged up, and it goes in this way. Snap that into place. Ooh. And then that sets down right into there, I believe. Try to get these wires out of the way so they don't mess up anything. Okay. Don't think that's gonna rub on that. Let's see if it goes.
Turn that on?
Oh, it has to be turned on. There's a power button on this bad boy. Ah, off on. Just want to make sure that battery's not in the way there. Huh?
You put it over the side here?
I think it's supposed to go right here.
Okay.
Pretty sure. Okay. And there we go. Just put it into the waters now. So the battery's a little lopsided there. Ooh. Why don't you go actually out on the dock? Let's go on the dock.
So cool.
Backs up.
Could have had to go anywhere else.
Whoa!
Send it out of the lake.
I don't know how far it can go.
Just send it.
Send it. Dude, it turns like way sharp that way. All right, who wants to drive it?
How do you drive it?
Just this is backwards. This is forwards. Right, left. It has a little pitch to it. Bring it around this side. Don't go too far. I don't know what the range is on it. Looks like it's pretty good range though. It's pretty fast.
That's pretty cool.
Whoa, how'd you turn that sharp? That was a crazy sharp to that way.
Yeah, I like that. I think it's fully charged. Is it? That's backwards.
Dude, that was like the sharpest turn ever. Turns like one way, like, what? I think maybe the battery is on the side. Turns like one way, like super sharp. Look at this. What? The turns on a dime.
Dude, this thing's so cool. You need to do us some waves.
Just get some. Like.
Dude, that thing is awesome. It's pretty cool. Where'd it go? It's like sometimes it does skip, sometimes it doesn't.
Oh, I thought it ran out. I'm like, no!
Let's create my own waves here.
Dude, just do a bunch of donuts right there. That's so cool.
Dude, it can take rights like it's own business.
I think the batteries, that's why,
Yeah.
on that side.
Yeah, see how far out it is.
No! Dude, it's so far out. Just go until you until you lose the connection, then how are we gonna get it?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to go for a swim. So cool.
Dude. Dude, this is like powerful.
Dude, yeah.
Air mattress.
They got little lights on it. That's cool. That light up.
And it's got its LEDs on the side.
Sweet.
Pretty cool.
Oh, not at not at night. No.
What if I have it upside down?
No,
It's supposed to automatically flip over.
dude. It did.
Yeah, it's supposed to
They're trying to drown it.
Put the battery in there. Pretty cool. That's awesome. How does it turn?
The little rudder.
I don't know how the battery would be hindering it, but that's so cool. And it's about 15 miles an hour.
It's pretty fast.
It's like my walking speed.
What? Alright, my friends, so as you can see, it's a pretty sweet little boat. Whoa, dude, it turns in like a foot. Lots of fun. If you had like 2 of these, you could like race them around and junk like that. So, sweet little boat here. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. All right, so we've been driving, what, probably about 15 minutes?
15, 20 minutes.
Ish. And then it starts beeping when the battery's low, so that's cool, so you don't lose your boat out in the middle of the lake. And we just haul it in. All right, friends, super impressive. This is a lot of fun. It lasts quite a while on this battery. It's cruising around pretty fast. We had a lot of fun driving it. Thanks for watching. So when you're putting the battery in the boat here, I was putting it back here, but I think to balance it off a little bit better, you want to put the battery kind of up here on the side there, maybe a little bit. And that just kind of keeps it more balanced, I think, if you can somehow put it up on the side. Or maybe it could even go in the bow of the boat. But I know that when I put it the back side here, it was a little bit, the boat was a little bit lopsided. So if you put it on the side, or maybe put it towards the bow of the boat, that might help too. But either way, I mean, it still works. I just thought I'd just point that out. So pretty fun little boat here for sure. Definitely goes pretty fast, and it's pretty cool. So thanks for watching, my friends.